Hi, this is just a quick one if anyone else has also gotten a Sonos Arc Ultra, connected it to their TV, only to discover that no sound from the TV gets played. Here there are a few things to try. First, of course, make sure that the Arc is connected to the correct Arc or eArc port on the back of your TV. A normal HDMI port will not give you any sound. Second, make sure that the TV's sound settings is also set to send the sound out via Arc or eArc instead of using the TV's built-in speakers or anything like that. With those basic installation things out of the troubleshooting way, the thing that I also had to do, and what caused some grey hairs on my bald head, was that the setting that makes the Arc Ultra automatically switch its input to TV as soon as it feels a signal coming from the TV was set to off in the app. So here also make sure to open up the app and click the little cog icon followed by the Arc Ultra under your system. Then scroll down and under Home Theater set TV autoplay to on. And while you're there, also perhaps enable ungroup on autoplay if you want the TV to automatically disconnect itself from a group of speakers if it recognizes sound coming from the TV. If that does not work, the next step is probably to do a factory reset of the soundbar video up the top and in the video description on how to do that, and then carefully redo the whole installation step by step. If that does nothing, my tips unfortunately ends here. Sonos does however have a pretty decent chat functionality on their website under the support section. I'll link that one down in the description as well. Hopefully they can from there help you decipher whether or not there is an actual warranty fixable problem going on with your soundbar, and if so, help you initiate an exchange process. Alright, let's hope the no sound issue got solved without having to send the soundbar away for repairs or exchange. However, please do leave any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye!